Do you know when you have multiple files in your machine or in your file system, different file system, different areas, and you say, okay, is file A the same as file B? If you have questions about how can I be sure if they're the same files, even if the name is not the same, I'm gonna show how to do this easily in your Linux. This video is part of a series called How To, and the main idea here is to show you real quick, straight to the point, how to resolve your problem. So let's jump to the terminal. Let's suppose that we are on this folder. There is nothing here yet. So let me create file 1 and file 2. So if I take a look on them, they seem to be similar. And then if I do something like this, okay, I can see the size is the same, but how can I be sure if they are the same? So there is one command that you can use, MD5 sum. And Wally, what is MD5 sum? Good question. Let's take a look on manual page. Compute and check MD5 message digest. So basically this will check the checksum of the file. And again, let me come back. You can see there are a lot of options. I'm not gonna pass through all of them. The main idea here is to keep it simple. So if I just run MD5 sum and star, this will get all the files. Check this out. Now we can see the checksum, and I can tell you for sure they are the same, pretty much the same. There is another one that you can check if you are not intending to use MD5 as a hash. There is a SHA256 sum. So what is that, Wally? Again, compute and check SHA256 method digest. Similar idea, but instead of MD5, now we are using SHA256. So if I do SHA256 sum star, I can see the same kind of behavior. The number is different because this is a SHA256 and this is a MD5, but check this out. They are pretty much the same, okay? I'm gonna stick with MD5 sum just for the sake of this video, but feel free to use the one that fit better for your necessity. Let's do this. I'm gonna edit my file 1 and I'll just add a dot. So let's see what will happen. Now my checksum is different. We can see the beginning and the end, and in fact everything is different because the MD5, the checksum of this file, it is a different from this one. Okay, this is amazing. So if I get my file 1 and change this to my pics vacation.jpg, assuming that this is a JPEG picture. Okay, is this gonna work with binary as well? Definitely. You can do this with any kind of file, picture, text file, movies, any file that you do have in your file system. As soon as it is a file, you can check the checksum. You can compare, you can check the checksum. Basically, this is a very reliable way to be sure that that file is in fact the file that you're looking for. Let's say this. Now I can use MD5 sum on all of them, and I can tell you for sure this one is similar to this, or it is the same file, which means now you got the point. If you have duplicated pictures, how can I be sure that they are duplicated? Like this, just checking the checksum. In this case, MD5. Wally, if I run SHA256 sum, will be a similar behavior. Trust me. Yes. See, this is my picture from vacation. This is also my picture from vacation, different name. However, the checksum is the same and different from this one. So again, keep in mind, any file that you do have in your environment, doesn't matter the extension, can be a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet, can be a database, can be an ISO, doesn't matter. As soon as it's a file, you can get the checksum using MD5 or using SHA256. All right. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, this is part of a series how to. The main idea here is to be quick, straight to the point, and deliver definitely what you need, like the answer for your question. If this video is help you somehow, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This will help me a lot to keep creating content like this. Also, let me know in the comments which kind of content or question you would like to see in this series. Also, feel free to join us in our Discord channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.